So there are certain things that giving the damage can do to you. I was thinking you can just get knocked out if the damage is too much, and that means if you are knocked out, you get a status. You get a status of knocked out. So, and if you're bleeding, that's another thing. And also, if you broke your arm, that's another thing. So I'm going to add more detail in this damage process. Well, you know what, can we just create a dead feature first? Because if your life goes below 0, you should die. It's an automatic death. So yeah, I'm going to make a death penalty. So when attack happens, attack target is called, right? And then attack target is when it's done, we know the result. And maybe we should check if the foe, okay, so after give damage to foe, okay, so if foe, life is negative or equal to 0, that's a death. Foe add status dead. That's what it is, right? So foe has a status. Well, it's an actor's status actually. So unit add status string void. This actor status push status. Status is a thing. Status is a word. Yes, statuses. Just to indicate that it's an array. So actor should have the statuses. That's an array. Oh, sorry. Array of string. Oh, sorry. This is not where it's supposed to be. Okay. Yeah. This is damage and statuses. Sure. So no initial constructor. So at the constructions, this statuses is this statuses and add status. We'll just add statuses does not exist on the type actor. Why? Lowercase actor. Actor should be an actor class here. Can I find name actor? Yep, you can. If I do this, actor. So if the life goes below 0, foe is dead. So I would return foe is dead, and then if foe is dead, foe is dead. Unit like remove void. I would just say unit actor name is dead. dead. Let's find out the element and L parent element and remove child element. I think that was the case. So okay, so if your life goes below 0, you will get disappeared. Let's test it. Okay, let's just keep attacking one guy, then we will know. Yes, and then attack with the spear. Was it a hit? No, it was not a hit. I think it was maybe dodge or something. Oh, okay, so there was 85 point damage. Okay, that's great. Okay, let's attack him again with the spear. Wow, so 17 points of damage. That's great. Attack with the spear again. Now he... oh, okay, so that was a miss, maybe. Attack with the spear again. Wow, so that's 25.5 damage. Let's do it again. Attack, spear. Okay, so 20 life left. Attack with the spear. Okay, so he's dead. Gone. Unbelievably successful. Unbelievably successful. So if he dies, stage removed him. We removed him, right? And also units. Remove unit is a function. Unit store update dump. Unit items. Unit items virtual item ID. Okay, it's not any ID. Yeah, this is exactly what I want. So it just got removed. So he's dead. Well, I'm thinking, you know, I'm going to make work on the animation of him being removed later, sure. But I think it's a good start. Not really sure, because if we add the dead status to after, it didn't really mean anything. But maybe I should just do something. Because it's gonna permanently, it should permanently remove this actor from the game. Or I mean, we should save that he's dead. Well, we haven't really done any of the, we haven't really made any function to save any data to the server, either to the server or locally. So when I do that, I will work on saving the dead people, information. But I think it's good for now. So basically I created the field with 10 people, and they can just smash each other based on the wait term.